Hello YouTube!
Hi YouTube!
You know,
what is going on here?
Oh, look at this birdie. Look at it, birdie. It's so cute. It just rolls over and just like, it just takes it. It takes it like a man. It takes it like a man. Yes, you do.
Like, here's what I gotta have.
I'm gonna definitely.
Look, that one's pretty good.
Aww.
And then I got one.
Oh, you're so cute.
See, that was this one. Trying to get you, then I got that. I think they're all girls in this store.
They are all girls, but
Locations, different locations. Different genders. I think this location.
well, there's like a cockatoo over at Largo Mall with like two cockatoos in the same cage. Like, yeah, they're like in the same pen, and like, yeah. Come on, come on. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Good baby. Oh, you're a good baby. Look, you got some belly. Yes, you got some belly. Aww. Oh, birds just like to have fun. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's like she's packing with fingers. There's like one cockatoo over at Largo that like bites and the other one doesn't. One's like a complete sweetie. And then there's another one that's in like a different pen. But it... Give you kisses? Mwah. Hi, birdie. See what? I just love the way that it's so cute. Come here. Birdie, wanna play? Come here. Watch this. This is amazing. I can like make it. Oh, it's attacking my phone now.